more they hate, the more I work. Everybody say they're lit, but all they do is showing shit.
Moving along, making progress in the garage. Been moving everything around, basically. Put up some pegboard, getting a bunch of organization going on, just trying to cram as much as I can in this little 2-car garage and make the most use out of it as I can. We have the 240, the drift build that's gonna go here. That's gonna go turn into, well, continue being the work area. All the trim and doors and stuff for my fucking house is gonna go up soon as the weather gets nice again and I can paint that stuff. But yeah, check it out, making progress.